In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace, a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. We'll keep things simple and focus on creating a clean, conversion-ready landing experience by editing an existing page. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening your website. From the main dashboard, head to the Pages panel. This is where all of your site's navigation and page groups live, and it's the quickest place to choose which page you want to turn into a focused landing page. Inside Pages, locate your Products section in the navigation and click it. Using a collection like Products is a great way to create a simple landing flow quickly because it already includes a strong visual section and a clear call to action. Next, select the specific page item you want to use for this landing page. If you're following along with the interface highlights you see on your screen, just click the item that's indicated to open it. Now click Edit to open the page editor. You'll see the live page with editable sections. Find the hero area that reads Shop the Collection. Click that section to select it, then click directly on the Shop the Collection text to activate the text field. If there's a button or a second instance of the same label in that hero, click that as well so all the key elements are selected for editing. The goal is to make sure your headline, supporting text, and primary button all align around a single action. Type in your own headline and supporting copy. Keep it short, specific, and benefit-driven. A clear headline sets the tone for the entire landing page, and concise copy reduces friction for visitors. If you're updating the button label, use direct language like Shop Now, Get Started, or Learn More so the next step is obvious. With your text in place, open the text controls by clicking Text. Adjust the style to match your brand and improve readability. Prioritize hierarchy. Make the headline prominent, keep supporting text smaller, and ensure strong contrast between text and background so it's easy to scan. Consistency in font, weight, and spacing goes a long way toward a professional look. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Save. This publishes your changes to the page and locks in your landing experience. That's it. Your streamlined Squarespace landing page is ready to guide visitors toward a single, clear action. As you iterate, focus on clarity, concise messaging,